Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rabbit cages that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Living World Deluxe Small Animal Habitat. This extra-large version deluxe rabbit cage provides a cozy habitat for your little furry friend with everything that an indoor bunny could need to keep them happy. It comprises a hard wire mesh, red and white, frame which is chew-proof on the top half, which is secured onto a bottom base made of plastic. The enclosure provides safety, ventilation and comfort. Within the cage, there is a small balcony which is accessed via a ramp, and for feeding there is a tip-proof food dish for rabbit food that fixes to the balcony floor. To allow you to clean easily, the wire top opens into 2 parts. The wire front door provides another access point. So that your bunny can have some quiet time alone, there is a hidden space under the balcony. The plastic Rabbit Hutch comes with a drip-proof water bottle and features a hay guard which are fixed to the outside of the cage so that there is more space inside. You will need to put it together yourself, but this small rabbit cage is easy to assemble. It takes just minutes and requires no tools. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Midwest Critter Nation Deluxe Small Animal Cage. Within this multiple-level rabbit cage there is a bottom pan for easy cleaning, an adjustable interior shelf with a ramp and a lower shelf beneath the cage. It is easy to move the cage around because it has 4 lockable casters. There will be no problems getting at your rabbit because it has full-width double doors. When you want to clean inside the Midwest Deluxe Critter Nation, the shelf can be removed. The pan in this indoor rabbit cage is completely leak-proof to protect the area around the cage. The ramp is at just the right angle to prevent nasty falls and is covered to protect little feet. The door latches are dual locking to prevent any attempts at escape, whilst the sturdy tube frame and wire frame in a gray quartz hammer tone finish keeps your pet safe and secure. It provides a large living space for your rabbit. The wire spacing is large enough for adequate ventilation but small enough to keep your rabbit inside. At number 3, we have the Avituvan Rabbit Hutch. A beautiful bunny cage that would also suit guinea pigs. These rabbit cages are spacious and are 40.6 inches wide. Unlike most rabbit cages that are just one level, this indoor rabbit hutch has multiple levels, 3 living areas and enough space for your rabbit to move around. This multi-level cage has a plastic base that makes it easy to clean out. It is one of the best rabbit cages for your rabbit's health because there is plenty of ventilation and space for them to stretch out. These wooden cages have 3 separate openings, making it easy for you to get at the food dish and clean out the floor. You can even open the roof as it is hinged. There is an extra layer of wire mesh above the litter box so that your bunny does not have to stand in their poop. This is a perfect rabbit cage for both indoors and outdoors. There is even a ramp which makes it easy for bunny to get back in at night. At number 2, we have the Midwest Wabbitat Folding Rabbit Cage. You'll be able to set this indoor bunny cage up in seconds as it requires no tools. The design allows you to access the interior from the top and the front. You can even open up the slide latch on the side using one hand, which is a great help when feeding. It's made from black electro-coated mesh which is durable and resistant to rust. For rabbit health and comfort, the grid mesh floor is spaced at 1/2 inch apart so that it will comfortably support your bunny's hocks but is still very hygienic. Underneath the mesh, there is a strong plastic pan which slides out, making it easy for pet owners to clean up, and there is a urine guard that protects the surrounding area from getting splashed with urine. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pets Fit Rabbit Hutch. This attractive, raised cage is made from iron wire and white cedar wood and would look great in any home. It is big enough to accommodate 2 rabbits and has no weight limit. However, if your pet is extremely fond of chewing, it may not be suitable because of the timber used in the construction. This cage is not waterproof, so it needs to be used inside. You will be able to assemble it with ease. There are pre-drilled holes for the screws. For easy cleaning, a piston mechanism lifts up the roof on the enclosed side. There is a latch opening at the front for easy access and a removable tray underneath for when you need to clean it out.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon